Welcome to our Kontentino tutorial on duplicating posts. Let's explore the 3 different ways to duplicate your content. The first way is to duplicate in the post preview. This method is ideal for quick duplication of one specific post. Firstly, open or create a post. In the post preview window, click the duplicate post icon in the quick bar. Now, select the profiles you'd like to duplicate the post to. If you duplicate a post within a profile group, the profiles are pre-selected. It's important to mention that the new duplicated post retains the status of the original post. To duplicate the original post as a draft, choose the Duplicate as a Draft option. Now click Duplicate. The second way is the drag and drop duplication in the calendar. This method is ideal for a quick duplication of one or multiple posts within the calendar itself. To start, select the posts you want to duplicate. Drag them through the calendar to the duplicate field at the bottom of your screen. Now, we're going to follow the same steps as in the first way. Select the profiles you'd like to duplicate your post to. Click Duplicate. And if needed, you can also edit the new duplicate. Here's a handy Kontentino pro tip. Press and hold the Options key on your keyboard while dragging to copy the posts within the same calendar. Also, if you'd like to move posts to another profile instead of duplicating them, select the Move option. The third way is through the time savers. This option is ideal for bulk duplication of multiple posts at once. Firstly, open the time savers feature and select Duplicate. Then, choose the posts you want to duplicate. For better navigation, you can filter the posts by status. Or, very simply, select your posts in the calendar even before clicking the time savers. Now, as usual, we're going to follow the same steps as in the previous ways. Select the profiles you'd like to duplicate your post to. If you duplicate a post within a profile group, the profiles are pre-selected. Click Duplicate, and you're good to go. If you have any questions about post duplication, feel free to reach out to our customer support team. We're here for you anytime. Thanks for watching and happy duplicating.